Okay, hello. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a maintenance on the 2014 Yamaha Bolt, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning and checking the spark plugs. And then also, if you need to replace the spark plugs, this video is going to help you out. So some of the tools that you're going to require, right, is the ratchet. This is a 5/8, okay, 5mm Allen. Both that one and that one, if you can only use that one if you like. NTCs, and I recommend the copper. And what you want to do is you want to get the dielectric grease, right? This just will help you out. Also, I have a quick gapper where we're going to check the gap and adjust the cup. Okay. So first thing that you want to do, you want to place your bike somewhere on the side so it's nice and safe, right? And we're going to take out the first spark plug on your right hand side. And all you got to do is you're going to take your 5mm Allen and you're going to unscrew these two bolts up here. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. And it goes actually pretty quick. Take the two bolts out. I'm just going to place them right over here. Okay, and you're going to remove the cover. And this is what the cover looks like. Okay, just place it right over here. Okay, so spark plug on the right hand side is it's located right over here. So before you pull anything out, what you want to do is either you want to vacuum the all the corruption and dirt out of here, or what we can do, we're going to take our handy dandy compressor, and we're going to blow out all the corruption out of there, okay? And that's enough. And have a quick visual inspection. Okay, so this is good. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to pull the spark plug out, and all you got to do is just grab it with your two fingers, right? And just wiggle it, and it comes out. And it's right here, okay? We're good to go. Just place this on the side. So the spark plug is located right in there. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 5/8 wrench right here, and we're going to undo the spark plug. Okay, and lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, let's loosen this off, and just slips in there nice and easy. Okay, and that's it, and it's coming out. Okay, we're going to place our wrench right over here.
And that should come out right now, okay?
We got it, and I'm just gonna fish this guy out. Sometimes it's a pain in the ass. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. So there's my spark plug, okay? So this one is NGK CPR7EA. Okay, so just going to quickly clean it, right? It looks actually pretty good. Okay, so according to the book, we need a either 0.8 or 0.9 of a millimeter, or 0.031 of an inch, or 0.035 of an inch. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my gap, right, and I'm going to go with inches, and I'm just going to place it right over here and just quickly go in here. Okay, and we are within the spec. We are 0.034, almost 5. Okay, so this one is good. Okay, so once we establish that, now what I want to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of a copper grease, just a tad, and put it on the threads. Not too much. Okay, so this is in the future when you're going to be changing them out. They're going to be a lot easier to take out. So this is the amount that I want. Also, dielectric grease is I'm going to put it a little bit right here on top of this, just like this. Okay. Okay, so we are set. So now we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna put it back. Okay. Okay, we're gonna throw this guy right in here, like this, and I gotta aim at the hole over there and thread it in. Okay, here we go. And everything you want to do finger tight. Make sure if it doesn't go right away, take it out and try it one more time. Okay. Okay, and this is fairly tight, so I'm just gonna go and tighten this up just a tad. Okay, good. Now what I'm gonna do is now we're gonna set the put the torque in. Okay, and according to the book, we need 9.4 foot-pounds. Okay, I already have preset this. Okay, so we're going to put it right in here, and we're going to torque it. Okay, we're good to go. Okay, now I'm just going to set this on the side, and all we got to do now is we can. Okay, this is fairly clean, anyways. So now we're going to insert the spark plug rubber piece. I don't know what it's called, right? And I'm going to insert it, and you're going to hear distinct clicking in there. So I'm just going to be quiet for 2 seconds, and that's it. Okay, it's on the side. So next, what we're going to do, we're going to replace the cover. Okay, oh, here we go. Okay, and now we're going to put the 2 bolts back.
Okay. And I'm not sure what the torque is right here. Just make sure it's fairly tight. Okay. And this is good. Okay. Okay, good. And
good. Okay, so the right side is done. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the other side now. Just gonna place my tools right over here. So, and all you gotta do is just pull this plastic out. And I have already loosened this bolt off right here. Just gonna put it right here. And I already loosened this guy off, so it's just easier to pull out. Okay, good. So now with this case, there's a little grommet that you gotta pull out, and you're gonna see it. The little grommet, and it fits right over there. Okay? So same thing. What I'm going to do before we pull this out, I gotta blow this out with the air compressor. Okay. All right. Okay, and we are good. Pull this guy out. Okay. Place it on the side. Take our tool. Fit it right in there. Okay, good. Okay, and we're going to take this out quickly. Okay, and she is out. Okay, and come on. Okay, come on. Okay, so here we go. So there's my my spark plug. So again, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna come up here, clean it, inspect it. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gap right in here, put it right in there. And we are little bit too much, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna tap it, okay? Just lightly, and check it again. And I tapped it too much, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna open this up, just like this. Just, again, just a bit. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, we are within the spec. So this one's good. Okay, so same thing. We're gonna put a little bit of a copper anti-seize. Okay, this is good. A little bit of dielectric grease right here. Okay, and just like I said, this grease is actually for spark plugs, and you can see it. There's a little picture on it. Okay, so now we're going to put this back up. Same thing. Align it, and align it with the hole over there, and everything should be finger tight. Okay, and I can feel it in my fingers that I got the threads, and it is good to go. Okay, good. Now we're going to torque it to the spec, again to 9.4. Okay, we're good. So now, again, we're going to take the spark plug rubber piece. I don't know what it's called, right? And you're going to hear this thing clicking in there. So, and put it in. There we go. This is good. So now we just got it aligned. I'm just going to take this screw out, align this. Okay, she's in. Let me see. Yeah, we're good here. And I'll tighten this up here in a minute. Okay, so what we have learned here in about last 15 minutes is how to replace or service your spark plugs, right? And if this video helped you out, please give me a like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.